So, I got a box in the mail. It was not necessarily unexpected, but I wasn't planning on doing a video on it, and it's kind of a surprise, so I figured I'd do a secret unboxing. So, let's check it out. Got myself here a storage unit. It's like a pegboard, but not like a hard plastic. And came with a bunch of bins and hangers and little things. So I'm gonna get this out and put it up on the wall. What I plan to do at some point is build upper and lower cabinets in this back wall in the corner. I'm going to show you this real quick. If the cabinets go from this wall over to here, you can't really see the tape now, it's right behind that brown box. If they go to, like, let's say about right there, I think I would prefer to have these roughly like in this area, kind of to the right. So let's get them on the wall, see what happens. Just plastic. So these are definitely taller than 18 inches. 21 1/4. You know, I should really get stuff out before I start working, so I'll have to get it out later. Alright, once I mount the first one, stick this right up to the next one, call it a day. Piece of cake. If you haven't used these before, these are awesome. Check this out. So I just stick it on the end of here. I'm gonna put it in this one. Nice and flush with the wall. You just screw it in, and you're done. Got a big old box. That's level. There we go. I'm just going until it kind of starts to harden. So I get that stop. Don't want to over tighten these. Aside from the actual wall and where the screw's going in, you're gonna jack up this plastic. So don't do that. Let's put some stuff on it. It's nice, there are little grooves on the sides. It's kind of hard to tell right now, but little grooves on the sides, so they just kind of fit into each other. Boom. I think that was a stud. All right. I think this is gonna be good enough because I know I'm not gonna put anything that heavy on here. So drywall screws, I'm not gonna prolong it. So let's put the rest of this stuff on and be done. So this is gonna be out of commission for now since this is here, but this isn't staying here forever. I think I'm gonna call it quits for the day. Let me show you what I did. So starting up here at the top, I have a bunch of stuff in my little black containers, mainly screws, my little random odds and ends. And the bigger ones, I have some more screws. Those are all drywall screws. Probably get another big box screws at some point for that one. And then this is my odds and ends. It's not just screws, but it's mainly screws. I threw a couple different screwdrivers and pliers and whatnot in there. This is holding my mask and my speed square, my smaller one. I've got all my gluing stuff in here. So when I need to glue, I can grab it real quick. I've got this random light bulb socket. I put some tape measures out and some Allen wrench key sets. And yeah, that's about it. So what do you guys think? I don't think this is for everyone. It was like 40 bucks, so it was pretty cheap. And it's gonna get the job done for me for now. Down the road, I actually want to invest in some metal pegboards. Here's an image of them right here. I'll leave a link in the description. And those will be a lot more sturdy. They will actually be sturdy enough to hold stuff like this. But I don't feel comfortable at all putting this on there. Now, is this for everyone? No, not a chance. If you're an established woodworker or someone who has a lot of screws and different things in your garage that you need to put up on the wall, I would say don't get this. But if you're a casual DIYer or someone that doesn't do any of that kind of stuff but needs, you know, little containers to put stuff in and a couple of little things to hang up screwdrivers and whatnot, just to use around the house, and you don't need anything fancy, this is awesome. So it's kind of that you got to know what you need and know what to go get, unless you want to spend more money and get one of those metal ones that I said I'm going to get. But for now, this is going to be plenty for me. Hopefully this was helpful. This was kind of a cool little video I got to make because I wasn't originally planning on making it, and then I saw all this and I kind of bought it off of a whim, and I think it's gonna be good for me for now. Like I said, for now, but we'll try to get some more heavy duty stuff down the road. So is it a little flimsy? I think if you put too much weight on it, it could definitely break. I'm rambling, so I'm gonna end this one. All right, catch you guys in the next one. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. Don't forget to use what you got. Hopefully this was helpful for you if you're interested in buying something like this. The description and the link for it will be below. The description and link for it will be down. The link for it will be down. The link will be for it down in the description below. Definitely smash that like button. No, don't say that, because people don't like when you say smash. Do you like when I say smash? Anybody else say smash? It's kind of weird. Like literally trying to smash something. Oh, I gotta get this out.